Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to ln s. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides and we have the s over s. Next, this one we change by u. The s over s we change by the u. Next, we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about t equals to arctan of u. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides and we have the u over u squared plus 1. Next we have the v equals to the u. So the integration of this one, we have v equals to u. So we have t multiplied by v minus we have the t multiplied by v. So we have the integration. So we have u du over u squared plus 1. So the integration of this one, we have 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of u squared plus 1. And I will put about c. About u, that is about ln s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.